All right, guys, here's the last question. This does better to do on a different sheet of paper until I have more space. Okay. It's talking about a reaction that has iron and oxygen making iron oxide, which is also called rust. So we have a number here, 2.1 grams of iron were completely consumed. What it wants to know, in theory, how much of this should be made and what the percent yield would be if what actually happened was 2.5. So if we're looking at our overall equation, actual divided by theoretical, they already gave us the actual number, which is 2.5. We have to find the theoretical. So we have to figure out how much should be made here if this is how much iron was used. Okay? Now it's a little tricky wording, but that's basically what it's asking. So we take our iron, which is 55.845, and there's 4 of them in our equation. And that gives us a mass of 223.38 grams. So here we have to figure out, well, how much does this whole thing weigh iron oxide? So look at our equation. There's 2 of them. So there's 4 irons and 6 oxygens. Excuse me. So iron itself is 55.845 and oxygen is 15.999. Okay? So if there are 6 oxygens, excuse me, 15.999 times 6, and we're going to add our 4 irons, for a total of 319.394. So we cross multiply and divide and solve for x. I know the x is usually over here, but we can still do the same thing. We multiply across and then we divide. So 2.1 times 319.394. Divide that by 223.38 and we get a total of 3.0. So we go over here. In theory, that's how much should be made. Now we just work it like question 1 and 2 in percent yield, the little number divided by the big number. So 2.5 divided by 3 times 100 would give us a total of 83.3%, and that is our final answer.